Morning, everybody. Sila's off on her trip to Ocean City with her friends, so it's just me, Juvie, and Kent. We're heading out to York to go see the chiropractor. Juvie get her back crack.
What are we working on? My lower back. Okay.
Just stay put there.
So Kent, you're getting big. He's almost as big as you. Your neck is tight there. Turn your head this way a little bit. Now go this way. Yeah, this side's tight. Okay, look straight ahead. I'm gonna adjust right there. Bam. Nope. There we go. Okay, lay down on your stomach for me and put your face right there. I want to check your leg. Is he a mommy's boy?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I figured. He's a cutie. Yeah, you're tight right here coming down. Even turn. Turn over on your right side for me and face me. So what do you guys have going on for 4th of July?
Silo went to Ocean City, Maryland with her friend.
Oh, yes. She's what, 12?
14.
She's 14.
She's 14.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, this side wasn't quite as tight. This should move super easy. Good. Okay, lay on your back for me. That was good. 14. Still super, super skinny.
Oh yeah.
Right here is out. Did not move. Man, that's tight. Yeah, it's all on this left side. Wiggle your toes for me. Keep wiggling, keep wiggling. There we go. Stay right there. That worked. That took your mind off of it. Man, you are flexible. Do you stretch a lot still? Don't you? Man, her knee, like she has so much. This is like crazy how limber you are. Wish your back was like this. Okay, stand right over here for me. Now, when's he turn 2?
October 4.
Your shoulders are level and your hips are level. That was good. Okay, I'll see you in a month.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Yeah, this was awesome.
Enjoy your 4th.
Well, thank you. You guys too. Are you a cutie?
Hi guys. Tapos na yung chiropractor ko.